Welcome to Luxury Garage. Today, we're stepping back in time to explore one of Mercedes-Benz's most iconic creations, the 1972 S-Class, a car that didn't just redefine luxury, but also set new benchmarks for performance, style, and innovation. Let's take a closer look. The 1972 S-Class embodies timeless design. Its long, sweeping lines and understated elegance make it a standout even decades later. That bold chrome grille, paired with round headlamps, defines an era of automotive luxury. And those wide-defined fenders, they weren't just stylish, they gave the car a commanding road presence. Mercedes didn't hold back on the details. Polished hubcaps with the iconic three-pointed star remind you of the craftsmanship that went into every corner of this car. Interior design. Step inside and you're greeted by pure luxury. In an era where most cars offered vinyl, the S-Class delivered handcrafted leather upholstery, real wood accents, and an attention to detail that was unmatched. The seats weren't just comfortable, they were engineered for long-distance travel, making every journey a first-class experience. The cockpit design feels modern even by today's standards. You've got a clear, easy-to-read instrument cluster, a large steering wheel with classic chrome accents, and controls that were thoughtfully placed for the driver's convenience. And yes, even in the early 70s, Mercedes offered options like climate control and power windows. But the S-Class wasn't just about comfort, it had power to back it up. The 1972 model came with a range of engine options, including the 4.5-liter V8 that produced 225 horsepower. For its time, it was a powerhouse, smooth, refined, and capable of delivering an effortless driving experience. On the road, the S-Class was unbeatable. It combined power with precision thanks to its advanced suspension system. This wasn't just a car, it was a statement of engineering excellence. Owning a 1972 S-Class today isn't just about driving, it's about preserving a piece of history. Prices for well-maintained models vary, but expect to pay anywhere between $25,000 to $70,000, depending on condition and rarity. It's an investment, but one that delivers unparalleled style and sophistication. The 1972 Mercedes-Benz S-Class wasn't just a car, it was a vision of luxury, innovation, and performance. Decades later, it remains a masterpiece. If you're a fan of classic cars, this one deserves a place at the top of your list. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time with more automotive legends.